All right, you guys, we got somebody from Canada coming. He's been wanting this haircut for at least 2 months. All right, YouTube, listen up. We got Darwin in the building. All right, all the way from Vancouver, Canada.
Yes, sir.
We're about to, hold on, let me see. We're about to change his life. This is what he's looking like right now. Hold on. This is the canvas he came with. By the time he leave here, totally different person. Take a look. Take a look. Let's go.
HustleDreamProduction.
How long you been watching my channel?
No, man, since you came out.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I've been, I've been just doing, just practicing myself. And you just type in barbering, man, you come up first, you know what I mean? So, I just remember when you started coming out, like, who is this 360 G's, you know what I mean? Like, but every time, since then, man, I've just been following you.
Appreciate it.
It's your process, man. It's the same all the time, right? So, easy to follow. Like, that's it, man. Yeah. So who do you remember watching on YouTube before you got big?
To be honest,
yeah,
I really wasn't watching YouTube like that.
No?
When I started, I barely even knew about YouTube like that, so I really wasn't looking at too many people on there.
Okay.
I was just uploading videos.
All right.
But
you said you started that when you finished barbering school or during barbering school?
What do you mean?
Didn't you go to barbering school? I remember you said.
Yeah. I went to barber school, but by then I already kind of knew how to cut hair.
Oh, okay. So you're doing the videos before school, like before you did school?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I did the videos before I did school.
Oh, okay.
But it wasn't hair cutting though.
Oh, okay.
So I was waving.
Right.
So I was doing that, and then I said, hey, why don't I film my haircuts? I'm good at that too. So that's how it all played out.
The rest is history,
Yeah.
What do you do for fun, Jay, other than barbering and editing videos? Like, what do you do what's your hobby or pastime? Do you have one? Oh, you don't have time?
Nah,
just
this is what I do for fun.
There you go.
This is what I do. I used to draw.
You used to draw, eh?
Yeah.
You can draw like in people's hair or what?
Yeah, I could do that too, but I really like draw people and stuff like that.
Like realistic?
Yeah, realistic.
Nice. You could have been a tattoo artist then.
Yeah.
Right? You're reaching the bottom line. No, man. We can like recite your lines, man. Like,
yeah.
Yo, I like it when you added those like trivia questions. Oh man. It's fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's pretty cool, man. Original. I don't see no one doing that right now. So.
Right.
Someone starts doing it, I'm like, no, man. Jesus,
I know, man.
Right? No, you got copyright that or something.
Copyright.
Trademark that. Oh man. That's so funny.
I did that just so I could be different.
Nice.
Because I see a lot of people like taking my stuff, and it's like, okay, I'm about to really like separate myself from everybody that they're doing. So I'm gonna keep doing that. And that's why I got into the vlogging aspect too. Just to do something different.
Yeah.
Show a lot more cuts that way too.
Right. Never like every day is different, you know what I mean? Like it's never the same thing.
All right, you guys, that was Darwin. Came all the way from Canada, Vancouver. A little salt and pepper on top, But I'm saying that for a reason. You guys got to catch my drift. The salt and pepper, I'm saying that for a reason. It's the reason behind why I'm saying salt and pepper. Not that he has so much salt and pepper, but I'm saying salt and pepper for a reason. Check my subliminals. See, when I said if you don't have waves, you don't know how to cut wavers, see, people are taking that a little too extreme. I'm saying you just don't know the heart of a man. You know what I mean? You don't know a heart of a waver. When I don't even want to take off my do-rag, but you don't know the heart of a waver. Not that you can't really cut waves just because you're not a waver. That's not what I'm saying. I also got to say this to throw my shots too. Since everybody want to throw shots. Since everybody want to throw these shots, I got shots too. Alright? Now, since a lot of people want to, I shouldn't even say a lot of people. Since I'm throwing shots, so since you want to say that you cut in 30 minutes or 45 minutes.
And we still able, you know, to do these haircuts in a 30 to 45 minute span. And they back to back on my schedule. Like I'm shooting these videos, you know, during the day.
This is a challenge right now, okay? This is a challenge right now. This is a challenge right now, all right? People say that they cutting in 30 minutes and filming and stuff. But let's look at the clock though. All right, we're gonna look at the clock and see if you really could cut in 30 minutes and film it. All right, shots is being fired right now. I'm just throwing all the shots, throwing every shot that I can right now. You guys are probably like, who are you talking about? It's all good. Nobody wants to say names. It's all good.
HustleDreamProduction.
11. Okay, his appointment was at 11. These are shots fired. I'm just throwing all these shots right now. All right, shots fired, man. When it comes to this waving stuff, when it comes to this filming stuff, filming your haircuts, I'm a different type of beast, all right? Different type of animal, okay? My gumbo stirred different. My gumbo stirred different, all right? All right. Chisholm. I got questions. When's your appointment?
11:30.
11:30.
Yep.
11:30. All right. 11:30. Okay. All right.
What time is it?
Let me see. Oh my goodness. 11:30. 11:30. Shots fired. Shots are fired. Shots are fired. Have I ever cut you before?
Nah, first time.
First time, ladies and gentlemen. Shots are fired. You playing no games this year.
First time cut.
Beam. 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 Listen, I gotta admit, he cool with the waiver cuts and everything. He's nice. He's nice with the waiver cuts. Okay. He's pretty decent with the waiver cuts. All right. Do I think he on me? If I take off my I just don't know. He not on me. But I'm saying though, man, with this content, 30 minutes, I think that's a challenge. He said 30 or 40 minutes.
And we still able, you know, to do these haircuts in the 30 to 45 minute span.
He said he do videos 30, 40 minutes back to back. I think that's a challenge. Ain't nobody messing with me when it comes to this content. Putting out videos in less than 30 minutes. Come on, man. Filming the cuts. Ain't nobody messing with my content, man. Beam. Think you done messed up, man. Matter of fact, I ain't even gonna do this challenge right here and right now. I don't want to let him know how it's done. You know what I mean? I don't want him to even get an inside look on how it's done. Here's the challenge right now, all right? You gotta occasionally look up at the clock, and I'm talking about with the camera, okay? You don't have to be your main camera. You could use another camera. But you have to show that you cut the whole full cut in 30 or 40 minutes, all right? 40 tops. If you ain't do it in 40 minutes, which I know for a fact, that ain't nobody sitting here cutting no head, filming it in 40 minutes. Impossible. It has to be a ball fade, has to be a fade, has to be a hardcore, it has to be skin, all right? None of this one all over in a lineup. I don't want to see that, and we all could do that quick and easy. I'm talking about ball, fade, taper, sides and back, whatever haircut you do on a regular, okay? Since you do a lot of a haircut and beard, let's see you do that. Let's I'm calling you out right now. Let's see you really take on this for 30 minutes, 30 or 40 minutes. I'll give you 45. Matter of fact, I'll give you 45 because I know you're not used to this filming stuff. All right, but you can't mess with me on this content, man. I gotta speak up for myself, man. I gotta speak up. Y'all might say, well, Jeezy, you called him out. Jeezy, he been throwing shots, y'all.
And I've been goated in this area. I'm not trying to be cocky at all, and I don't want to sound that way to y'all. I'm so advanced and I'm so up to par when it comes to this waving thing. Like, I'm in a whole different lane. Line me up with whoever.
Put me up against anybody. He been saying stuff, y'all. Y'all got to look at the subliminals. Y'all are not hearing it. All right, I'm hearing it. So, Beam. You don't want this content, man. You don't want this. It's on. All right, so I'm editing this video, right? And I just want to make this clear. All right, we got until Friday to put this video out. This is the rules if I didn't make it clear. You got to put out a video Friday, right? Now, it don't have to be edited in a tutorial manner. You just have to film it just as if it was edited, you know what I mean, in a tutorial. You don't have to speak or nothing like that. But throughout the video, you need to show that clock. You need to show that clock. I'm gonna drop my video Friday, all right? And I expect you to drop it either Friday or Saturday, one of the two. All right? This is about content. This is about showing people that you could drop content and do a haircut in 45 minutes and film it. I need to see them same angles. Hashtag 360 Jeezy. I'm throwing subliminals, all right? We out. Let's get this money. Let's strap.